Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Nano Banana inside your PC or laptop. So there are like multiple ways to use it, but I'll show you the two or three simple ways where you can use it. First of all, just search here Google Gemini, and once you search Google Gemini, let me just remove this one, and you will see this website Google Gemini. So just open it. And once you open it, as you can see, it has opened the list, and the interface will look like this. So from here you can just select on tools, and once you click on create image, so that image basically that will use the Nano Banana feature inside the Google Gemini. So you can use Nano Banana from this one. Otherwise, what you can do is just go and search Google AI Studio, and once you search Google AI Studio, so just open this one aistudio.google.com, and that will take you directly to this page. So just go to the home page, and from here you can just click on this option which is try Nano Banana Pro. So that is basically a Nano Banana Pro. So just search anything, like let's say create an image for Nano Banana wearing a costume. Let's say this is a random image, and just click on run, and make sure to like this is it requires basically a paid API key. So make sure you have the paid API key. Just click on select key, and after that it will start generating. So the process is pretty much same. The results will also be same because this one also use the Nano Banana Pro feature. But if you want to use it unlimited, you must have the Google AI Plus plan. I don't have it, that's why I can't use it here. But in the Google AI Studio, I have the paid plan and I can use it smoothly here. Now, let's say you want to play with the settings in the Google AI Studio. You can change the resolution to 2K, 4K. You can change the aspect ratio, whatever you want to select. You can change the temperature as well. You can just open the advanced settings, stop sequence, output length, and top P. Everything you can just play it. As you can see, it has generated an image, and that's the result given by them. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can use Nano Banana inside your PC or laptop.